Welcome to today's Explainer. Our topic today is how UPI payment works. We are going to completely demystify the invisible magic of digital payments and bring this fascinating technology to life. Seriously, have you ever wondered what actually happens the second you scan a QR code? Think about it in your daily life. You whip out Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, or any other UPI app. You scan it, and boom, the payment is done in just a few seconds. But behind those few short seconds, an absolute powerhouse of technology is working flawlessly to move your money. So let's start with section 1. Welcome to UPI payments. What exactly is it, right? Well, UPI, which stands for Unified Payments Interface, is this highly sophisticated digital payment system developed by the NPCI, the National Payments Corporation of India. The absolute beauty of UPI is that it lets you send and receive money instantly, 24 hours a day, directly from your bank account. And honestly, the ultimate convenience here is that you absolutely do not need to memorize long account numbers or those clunky IFSC codes anyway. All you need to get started is a simple UPI ID or a quick scan of a QR code. It is designed to be entirely frictionless for you. Okay, let's dive into section 2, Journey of a Payment. Let's set the scene for a second. Imagine you're standing at a roadside stall, buying a simple cup of tea for 20 rupees. You pull out your phone, open your UPI app, scan the shopkeeper's QR code, type in 20 and tap Pay. Now this is where the real process behind the curtain begins. Let's literally pause time right here. Before a single rupee actually moves anywhere, your app demands your UPI PIN. This is the first layer of security authentication. That PIN proves that you are the real verified owner of the bank account. Without the correct PIN, the transaction is instantly halted. It cannot go any further. Now, once you punch in that secure PIN, your request is sent straight to the UPI system. Here is where the NPCI steps in, basically acting like a highly efficient smart traffic controller. It takes your request and securely routes the communication between your UPI app and the respective banks. It's perfectly directing the flow of the secure data. In mere milliseconds, literally the blink of an eye, before approving the transfer, your bank asks 3 crucial back-end questions. Step 1, is the PIN correct? Step 2, is there actually enough balance in your account? And step 3, is the account itself active? If everything checks out perfectly, your bank gives the green light and approves the payment. Which brings us to section 3. Why is it so fast? Here is the secret sauce to that incredible speed. If you compare it to the traditional banking, you may be waiting hours or even days for a money transfer to clear and settle. But UPI works in real time. Because of the instant direct communication between banks entirely powered by the NPCI's secure network, there is zero waiting. The banks are literally talking to each other immediately. And just like that, we can unpause time. The payment is complete. In the few seconds it took us to break all that down, the money has instantly hit the shopkeeper's bank account. Both you and the shopkeeper immediately receive the satisfying little confirmation message right on your phones. Now on to section 4, Layers of Security. You might be wondering, is the system this incredibly fast actually safe? The answer is a resounding yes. UPI is designed with multiple overlapping security layers protecting every single transaction. First, it requires a registered mobile number physically linked to a device. Second, strict bank account verification. Third, that unique UPI PIN only you know. And fourth, highly secure, deeply encrypted communication across the entire network. These layers work together seamlessly to keep your money perfectly safe. But listen, the most crucial point I want you to take away today is this warning. Let me be totally direct with you. Never ever share your UPI PIN or OTP with anyone. Just remember the golden rule of the system. You only enter your PIN when you are making a payment to send money. If someone contacts you and asks for your PIN so that you can receive money, it is a scam period. Keep that PIN completely private. Finally, section 5, the digital payment revolution. Just consider this staggering fact. Today, billions of UPI transactions happen every month in India. Billions. UPI has completely changed the way an entire nation pays. It has made everything from paying school fees and electricity bills to buying daily groceries and grabbing that roadside tea totally frictionless for millions of people. It's making cashless payment faster, easier, and entirely accessible. So we have reached the end of our journey today. This invisible technology is silently moving your money safely in seconds, powering the daily economy from the ground up. It leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to ponder. As this invisible digital infrastructure continues to scale up and evolve, how is it going to completely reshape the way we interact with money in the next 10 years? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.